school we hold so dear, of the school that claims our reverence, ecstasy for evening cheer. Stand will in joy and sorrow, ever ready to proclaim ecstasy in the glory. Proud we are to bear that name. Ecstasy in thee we glory. Proud we are to bear that name. Forward is the peerless mortal, virtue is the rising star, ever ready to retrieve us when our steps are strayed afar. Time may see us far and scattered, life may seem both dull and cold, still a claim to our affections, ecstasy shall